Good morning, good afternoon, dear members. Thank you for joining us today in the context of the REDD+ and Forest Governance D Group. Today, we would like to start a discussion focusing on forest-related monitoring, climate change and the law. Specifically, we invite you to share comments and reflections on integrating forest-related monitoring with agricultural monitoring systems and increasing transparency in forest data production and sustainability. As we do know, forestry countries have made substantial progresses in developing their national forest monitoring systems to comply with the measurement, reporting and verification framework under the UNFCCC and to provide better forest data to support informed decision-making and domestic policies. Efforts in establishing national forest monitoring systems are fundamental to increase transparency, and lessons learned will be very useful to implement the enhanced transparency framework under the Paris Agreement. During COP26, the Forest, Agriculture and Commodity Trade Dialogue, the FACT dialogue, led 28 countries to agree on a joint statement and a roadmap of action in order to address challenges associated with expanding of unsustainable agricultural production and other forms of land degradation. Among the actions, the FACT roadmap calls for addressing significant data gaps in order to enable traceability and transparency in international forest and agriculture commodity supply chains. It is then foreseen to develop a set of guidelines in order to inform national government approaches to data sharing and data monitoring of forest and agriculture production and commodity supply chains. The objective being to enable better monitoring and protect forests and other critical ecosystems. In March this year, FAO launched a paper titled Establishing Legal Frameworks to Enable Sustainable Forest Monitoring in REDD+ countries, showcasing experiences and lessons learned from countries like Costa Rica, Ecuador, Peru, Paraguay, and Uganda in sharing their experiences to establish legal arrangements for sustainable national forest monitoring systems. But we are sure that there is more to say on the subject. We are kindly asking you to please share your experiences in terms of challenges and opportunities that your country is facing towards improving the integration between forest and agriculture monitoring systems. In this regard, can you also please tell us what you think should be the role of the law in promoting the institutionalization of better integrated systems? Thank you for joining us, and please share your views and reflections to ensure a fruitful and dynamic discussion.